Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Target beauty boxes for February. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my February Target boxes just arrived and I'm excited to see what's in them because honestly, I don't even really pay attention. It shows you everything online. They're $7 each, free shipping. They're not a subscription. You see what's in them, you buy it if you want it, you pass if you want, and you wait for the next month. Sometimes there's one box, sometimes there's two. This month there is two different ones. And again, like I normally don't pay attention. I just buy them so I can show you guys what's in them. If it's something that I'm not going to be using, then I save for a future giveaway, which is a win-win either way. So I always just grab them all. Plus $7 and you get a $3 off coupon inside. So if you use that, then it's basically like you got it for $4. So I love my Target boxes. This one is just adorable with the red lips. Very, very festive for Valentine's Day. Very festive. I like their holiday boxes because they're always so cute. And it says pucker up. And then there is a $3 off coupon. And then it does have little tissue paper and it's always wrapped really cute. And there we go. So the first thing right on top, oh, alrighty. It's a cooling gel lip mask, Pout Perfect. And that is by Target Beauty. How cute. And it's all glitterified. So there's a lip mask. You have a Sexy Mother Pucker. And this is in the color Plum Sup, S-U-P. Looks like Plum Sup, Sexy Mother Plucker. Let me get this sticker off so we can see what color it is. There's quite a few little lip products in here, so I don't know which one I want to try on. Oh, this is just like a lip gloss. Okay, so this is just like a gloss with a little bit of pink tinge to it. I don't know. Ooh, I can kind of smell that. Ooh, that does smell good. I can smell that. Woo! I'm starting to get my senses back, maybe. Here is a St. Ives lip scrub in sweet passion fruit. So here's a sugar scrub. I didn't even know this brand made sugar scrubs. And it does have a safety seal on that. So let me remove it. And that's what that looks like. Okay, now that I'm dipping in more, I can kind of feel the graininess of the sugar. At first, I'm like, it doesn't even look like a sugar scrub, but it smells really good. So there's a lip scrub. Okay, nice. Now we have is a peppermint organic lip balm all-in-one. And this I might just set aside because I have so many chapsticks open right now. Like I have a thing filled with chapsticks. So, and then I even have another section of brand new ones never opened. So I think I'll just go ahead and set this aside because I have so many chapsticks right now. So then next we have is by Burt's Bees, and this is a lip shimmer in Peony. And let's see, how do I open this one? All right. This one seems very good for $7, you guys, because the next product in here is probably worth that all on its own. So there's the color. And this is just like it would be a lip shine, mainly like very slight tint of color right there. Alrighty. I think it smells good. I don't know, you guys. I can't smell. 100% natural. So, alrighty. So we have two little lip glosses, lip shines. This guy is what I'm excited about. It's a Milani Bold Matte. And this is in the color 10. I Am Confident. Ooh, it looks like it's going to be a dark color. Yes. All right, let me swatch this one. Ooh, that looks pretty. Let me see. Let's see. There we have it. That is dark, but I actually like it. So we have a Milani lipstick. And again, that's probably worth this whole entire box in just that product. And then we have a Burt's Bees moisturizing lip mask. So there's that. So this box is just like all about your lips. So I guess that's why there's these little red lips on the outside. So we have a lip mask, so 2 lip masks. We have a sugar scrub. We have a lipstick, a chapstick, and then 2 like sheer lip glosses. This box, I am so glad that I got. I think this is an amazing box. So let's go ahead and get into this box and see what we get in here. So this one is called Self Love, and again, it does have the $3 coupon. And this looks like something might be a little bit wet, or something is wet in here. And then when you open it up, that's what it looks like. So I'm assuming maybe this is what leaked, even though they did put the seal on it. This is a perfume hair and body mist in Island Vanilla. Yeah, this is what leaked, because it's on that. And oh, because it's not even closed all the way. It would help if it was closed all the way. Okay, so that is item number 1 by Pacifica, and it is a Island Vanilla perfume hair and body mist. Then we have a silver foil peel off mask. Then we have is by Aveeno Cracked Skin Relief Balm. So this would probably be good for like your feet, your elbows, dry areas to kind of help with that. That's what I'm going to assume. And it is completely sealed. This one says Triple Oat Complex helps shield skin for winter dryness effects. Wave goodbye to chapped, cracked skin and say hello to all day moisture. So there's that. And then this is cooling gel eye pads. So the other one, we got the lip pad, and now here is some eye pads. So I guess you stick this, okay, directions for cooling. Place eye gels in the refrigerator for 1 hour or the freezer for a minimum of 30 minutes, and then place them on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Does the other one, is that what you do? You place it in the, yeah. So that's what this is too. You put this in the freezer or the refrigerator and you just put it on to, as a cooling effect. So I'm assuming they're reusable then. Huh. So that is neat. And they have little glitter in them. So you got some little puffy things right there. This is a mineral bath soak, aches and pains muscle relief. And then you have a shimmering cream mask. And then the last item in here is calming aromatherapy mist. Let's see what this one is. These seem like some pretty good boxes this month, you guys. I'm saying I like the lip one a little bit better, only because in this one, I don't use mineral bath salts, so that'll go to one of you guys. And then this mask, I don't care for. I only like the sheet masks, but it's okay because I get to show you guys and I get to actually give them to one of you guys as well. So that's awesome. All right, so this says, close your eyes, mist lightly all over body. Also use on your as a pillow mist or a room aroma. Avoid contact with eyes for external use only. So let's see. I can't really smell. I'm picking up on something. I definitely need to come back and smell this when my nose clears out a little bit more. I hate being sick. Okay, so in this one again, we got the peel off mask. We have a wash off mask. We have a foot soak. We have the cooling eye pads. We have the lotion for cracked areas. we have a room or pillow spray, and then we have a hair and a body mist. And you have a $3 coupon. So, wow, what did you guys think? Which one did you like better? Did you like the lip set, or did you like the self-care set? Let me know what your favorite box was. Let me know if you did receive them. I always let you guys know when I get my notification on my Instagram, and I post on my YouTube that these are available. So if you guys are interested, then you know they're available. You can check them out and get one for yourself if you would like. So let me know if you did receive one. If you liked any of these boxes, I'm sure they're still available. I will link them down below. You can definitely go and check them out. But I think my favorite for everything that I'm going to use, I would say the lip one. And that's surprising because I normally don't wear a whole lot of lip products. But this one, Lip Milani, I'm loving. And I do like the other ones with the sheer little colors in them. And I like the lip packs, the lip mask. So I'm loving the lip one more, but I like them both. So let me know what you guys thought. I really do like this color on me though. I really do like that color on me. So again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the boxes. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. Like I appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Crafty Crew out.